Hello guys, I hope you are all are doing fine. The energy levels, the enthusiasm is pretty much high. And if the energy levels are down, if you are not feeling good, if you are feeling low, you have to hang in till the end of the video. And trust me, the level of enthusiasm and the energy which flows into your body, there will be a certain spike, but only if you hang in till the end of the video. This concept today which I am going to talk about is, I always had this concept in my mind, but I was just waiting for that perfect example. Few days back I was watching a video and I got a perfect example which I was waiting for. So I was like, let's shoot this video along with the concept, with the example, so that it reaches out to the people in a much better way, and we can actually understand it and apply it in our own life. We always need to understand that what we need to focus on is the abilities in the individual. That is, we need to keep working on ourselves, we need to keep learning, we need to ensure that we have all the capabilities, all the abilities to do a particular work, whatever we are striving for in life. If we actually focus on building that capabilities, that abilities, trust me, the opportunities will come at your doorstep. It will come to you. But for that what you need to do is, you just need to focus on the abilities. You just need to keep working on the capabilities. You can't be rigid in life. You can't have that ego that no, you are perfect. There is no one who is perfect. You always need to have that attitude to be a better version of yourself. You always need to keep learning. You always need to try and find different ways to just ensure that you are doing the things in the best possible way. You have to be efficient, you have to be effective as well in life. If you have to strive for something pretty big in life, there's no option. And if you can actually focus or put all your energy into a direction wherein you are working on your abilities, you are working on your capabilities, where you are just ready to learn whatever is coming into your way in your life, trust me, there will be hell lot of opportunities waiting for you. What we need to understand is, the opportunity will come, but it will come at the right time. It will not come when you desire for, because you don't know the right time. The nature has got the perfect timing. You need to have that belief, you need to trust that nature. You just need to focus on the process, just need to focus on developing the abilities. That is a process which is a continuous process. It is not a 1 month course, 2 months course, or 1 year activity. You need to understand that thing, that focusing on developing your capabilities or abilities or learning every day is a continuous process. It should go on 365 days in a year. Then the opportunity will come. It will come at the right time, and the right time will be decided by the nature, not by you. You never know the right time, okay? The nature will give you whatever you deserve at the time when the nature will feel that you are actually capable. And that is the reason you need to pull or focus all your energy into developing that capabilities. Result is something which you should not focus on. It's the most difficult thing. But once you understand how the things work, how the nature works, how it all happens, it will be very easy to understand. And you will understand one thing, that all you can do is, you can work as hard as possible. You can put all your grind into it, put all your effort into it, and then just wait for the right time. There might come a time in your life where you might be challenged, where you might have to do the same things twice or thrice, but you need to have that patience. If you have that greed, that determination, that stubbornness, that you want the goal which you have set for, irrespective of the number of challenges coming your way, it will come to you at the right time. And have that faith in nature, have that belief, have that confidence, because if you have the ability but you don't have all of these things, there will be no point. And to understand this concept in a much better way, I have a beautiful example. Guys, let's go back to 1996. Okay, it was India's match against England in Lords. So what happened there? Navjot Singh Sidhu, at that time Mohammad Razuddin was the captain, and he had a brawl with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Okay, what happened? They both had a brawl before the match, verbal exchange, and Navjot Singh Sidhu, without informing to anyone, just left the match, left the country, left the hotel, and he came back to India. obviously violating the protocols. This you just can't expect, and this is not acceptable. But this is not the thing, which I want to get deep into. What happened? There was a 22 member squad which went to Lords, and there was that one young boy waiting for his chance, but he knew even after the 11 he might be 16th or 17th player to be considered of if the chance arises. What happened? Navjot Singh Sidhu went, violating the protocols. His fellow roommate, a young boy, got his chance playing for the country. The name was Sourav Ganguly. What he did in that match? He scored a century in Lords in his debut match. He had the ability, he had the capability, he was working hard on it. He didn't even thought that he will get that opportunity at that time. But since he had the abilities, he got the opportunity. And that is what you need to understand in life. You need to have that belief, you need to have that in you to focus on the process, develop that abilities, develop that capabilities, keep learning irrespective of whatever is going on in your life, and you will get whatever you desire for at the right time, which is decided by the nature, not by you. But you have to be patient. You can't be like, you need to understand that when you desire to achieve something, it is not a 100-meter sprint, it is a long marathon, and you need to have that approach, you need to have that patience, and you need to keep working every time you step into there. One failure and you be like, no, I'm not doing this. This is not the way. This is not the way you'll get whatever you desire for in life. You need to have that patience, you need to have that belief, you need to have that capability in you to come back, to bounce back stronger. And you also need to understand one thing, there's another part to it. When you get the opportunity, seize it. You need to understand one thing, 365 days in a year will not be yours. They'll not be good, they'll not be bad, there will be mixed. You can't say that मेरे तो 365 दिन खराब थे या मेरे 365 दिन अच्छे थे. But you need to ensure one thing, जब अपना टाइम आएगा, you need to pull the things off in the best possible way. If I use some Hindi words, जब तुम्हारा टाइम आएगा तब मचा देना, और ऐसा मचाना ना कि जब the time was not yours, जो भी लॉस किया या जो भी था सब रिकवर कर लेना, और रिकवर करके you need to come back into profit. That is the way you seize the opportunity. Sometimes you just need to wait for the right time, but when the time comes, you need to ensure that you are seizing the opportunity in the best possible way. That is how Sourav Ganguly did. He scored a century, then he never looked back. He was one of the most successful captains which India had ever had. His aggression, his attitude was just amazing. It actually changed the way the Indian team played cricket. And that is how you grab the opportunity. And you will be able to grab the opportunity only if you have the specific capabilities. That's why keep working on the capabilities. You will never know what's coming at you, what life have in its store for you. It is having something. If you are working hard, you will get something, and you will get whatever you desire. You will actually get more than what you desire for in life. That is how the life works. But patience, belief, confidence, keep working hard, never give up, and the beautiful smile on your face. Hashtag keep smiling. You need to understand that your soul needs to be happy. You work 16 hours a day, keep your soul happy. You work 8 hours a day, keep your soul happy. You don't work, you keep your soul happy. If your soul is happy, it's perfect, it's fine. Whatever you do, whatever you want to achieve, you need to have your soul in a better position. That is the most important thing. And sometimes you just need to be calm. You need to wait for the right time, because there comes a time where you just are not able to push yourself, pull yourself. You have to be calm. You have to wait for your time. You have to believe in nature. And if you can have that, trust me. So what do you learn? Focus on your capabilities. Opportunities will come knocking your way. And when the opportunities come, ensure you are seizing it in the best possible way. You are turning around everything. For example, if you are going in a loss, okay, there's a time where it's not going your way, you are making continuous losses. But when your time comes, you need to ensure you are not only recovering the losses but turning the position into profit. That is how you seize the opportunity. When your time comes, you can't be defensive, you can't be conservative, you have to come on that front foot, you have to be aggressive, you have to be fearless. I feel even when the days are not going your way, you have to be fearless. Some traits should never go, they should always be there intact, and always that smile is the most important thing. Thank you guys. If you like the video, do like it. If you feel like sharing it to the people around you, do share it. And if you feel like listening more from me, do subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.